If you want to check activation date on your Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, then first of all we need to open settings on our phone. Next you want to choose your Google account at the top of settings, tap on your Google account again, and then choose manage your Google account. In here you want to choose your devices, and then we can select our Google Pixel 10 Pro XL from this list. And if you go here, you might need to enter your password, there we go, in order to continue. And then you should be able to find the first sign-in date over here. Now keep in mind that unfortunately it is related to your Google account rather than the phone itself. So this data might not be completely correct, of course, and this depends on the Google account that you use. So if you actually have an account that you use from the beginning since you have the phone, then of course this data is accurate. But on the other hand, if you signed into your Google account a little bit later, then this data might not be really correct. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.